Hi there, I'm Amber, and this traditional block is the Patio Paver. It has the same size as our regular Holland, but as you can see, it's about an inch thinner. Not to worry, it's still very strong, but like its name suggests, it's best used for patios and walkways. And like the Holland paver, it has built-in spacers on the sides to help evenly lay down the block and leave space for your paver locking sand. I like the Patio Paver because it's lightweight and it has multiple pattern combinations with just this one block. And depending on the pattern and size of the patio you want, you may not have to cut a single block. Try a pattern like a basket weave or a stack bond. If you want to learn more about the Patio Paver, visit our website or pick up your Patio Pavers today at your local Menards store. Happy building!